So to start, obviously in support court, parents are responsible to support their children in New York State. Whether you're married, whether you were dating, whether you ultimately adopt a child, you're responsible to support these children until the age of 21. Okay, New York is a 21 state, not an 18 state. There are some 18 states left. And just for some basic, because it's not in there, people may know, but it's based on percentages. One child 17, two children 25, 3 29, 4 35%, and then once you get above that, there's no less than 35%, and that's of combined parental income, which we will discuss as we go on. But to start a support proceeding, the support proceeding has to be filed in the county where the children live, not where the parents live, because there are times where obviously the parents live in different counties. So it's filed in the county where the children live. If there has not been any type of support order issued, you're going to do an original petition, a petition seeking support. One thing that isn't in the materials that's important to note is paternity. If paternity has not been established, it is assumed if you were married, you're the father, but if paternity has not been established either by the parent being placed on the birth certificate or there being a signing of an acknowledgement of paternity, usually at the hospital, when you file your original support petition, you need to file a petition to determine paternity. They can't award a support obligation unless paternity is established. You file it, you may go in and the father says, yep, my child, and that may be enough. If not, the court can order a DNA test and that will establish it. But the original petition, basically you have to, that one's not the hard one. I want support. This is the father. I need help supporting my child, and it would be awarded from the date of petition. And do you look for anything more specific?
Just in terms of the jurisdiction, not always where the children are, because if mom had moved and it's a mod, the original court that issued the order, if, say, people were living in Schenectady and mom moved to Albany and there's been a history within Schenectady Family Court and she comes to me, technically I have jurisdiction, but whether the venue is right kind of depends on a couple of different things. I have the ability to look at what's happened in Schenectady. And if it looks like they might be forum shopping, where they didn't like the last result from the magistrate in Schenectady, I might kick it back. But by the same token, if they've been here a while and this is now their county, I'd be more apt to take it and just, I can access prior orders on our computer for the other, from the other county. But other than that, and the paternity, if, in fact, paternity hasn't been established, if the paternity petition is filed, it's probably a good idea to file a support petition with it, but you don't need to. We can do a support order off of the paternity petition if, in fact, the paternity is established. It spins right off into a different docket for the support.